up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got a full lot of walkthrough for you here today. Over 20 classic cars. We're going to go over each and every one with pricing. And then if you click on our video and subscribe, you can see each individual car. And you can see full walkthrough. So please hit the subscribe button right now. This way you get alerted every time we get classic cars. Every week stuff comes up. We're located on the outskirts of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We ship right to your doorstep. And we offer financing. We're going to go over all these cars, plus I have some projects. Got a fastback over there. We'll show at the end, which is pretty cool. We'll start off, guys, with this 68 AMC AMX. I bought this car off the second owner. It's got a 390, so it's an X code by VIN number. Power steering, air condition, AC works. It's clean. The paint shines nice. Automatic transmission. No rust, no rot. Everything works the way it should. It's got 87,000 miles on it. Asking 35,000 on this one. Next, got this absolutely gorgeous 1968 Chevelle, true 138 car. It's got a big block under the hood. This thing is in perfect condition. It needs nothing. Power steering, front disc brakes. Well, it's actually four-way disc brakes. Automatic transmission. It's got American racing wheels. Engine trans were all redone. It's got less than 5,000 miles on the drivetrain. This one's 45,000. Got the 67 Porsche 912. Perfect driver quality car. 33,000 miles on the odometer. Unknown if it's true or not. Got this one listed for $39.95. Fun cars. Ford Fairlane. This car's got a 289 under the hood. It's in good condition. It's a Southern car. There's no rot, no rust. Non-AC car. Non-power steering. Got this one listed for $15,000. And whoever buys this car, I will throw in shipping for free. That's the promotion I'll run on this one. Free shipping if you buy this car. Got the 71 Cadillac four-door. This I bought off the original owner. It's been in their family since new. It needs paint. This is a project. It's only got 60,000 miles. It's got no rot or rust. We're gonna sell it the way it is for $8,500. However, if we don't sell it in the next 2 weeks, we're gonna paint it. And the price changes. Now, this thing drives great. I got to get a window regulator for it. As you can see, the motor's out. Got this Plymouth Fury. This is an AC car, AC works, power steering, big block, 383. This also needs paint or a nice buff, but we will sell it the way it is. If we sell it the way it is, I'm gonna need 9 grand on it. If we paint it, probably gonna list it at 14. Nice early Mopar for somebody with air condition. The front line's done. Let's go to the back line. 1982 Chevy S10. This thing is completely built up, 350. Brand new trans. This thing runs 11s. It's got about $30,000 invested. No rot, no rust. Fast truck. Asking 20K or best offer. It's got no AC. Okay, 86 Monte Carlo, 1 owner, all documented, all paperwork, 56,000 original miles, air conditioned. The paint is faded on the hood, the clear is coming up. But if you look at the inside, this thing is absolutely perfect. Real nice condition. Look at that. 59,000 original miles. This one's 11,000. Then I got 2 Corvettes here. I'm running another promotion on these. Both run and drive. They're 10K a piece. I'll throw in free shipping for either one. Both got T-tops ready for the summer. They're driver quality. They got chips. They're not perfect. However, if I don't sell it, I am going to paint them. Paint them and put them in our showroom. We do have another location. 10K gets them free shipping for either one, so just let me know. Make sure you say free shipping. And then I got this Mustang here. Power steering, power disc brakes, AC works. LED headlights. Got this one for $18,500. Then I got a bargain here, 4-door Chevelle with a 350. Got this one listed for $4 grand, guys. It's a project, it runs, it drives, but it's got some rust. But the engine alone, the drivetrain alone is worth kind of what we're asking. Got this Volkswagen Beetle Hawaiian Edition. This one's 10K. Then I got this first generation Camaro with 327. This is super clean, 2-owner car, automatic transmission, power steering, manual brakes, no rot, 32,500. 64.5 Mustang, originally a 260 car. Average condition, 15,000. Non-power steering, manual brakes. Then we have this Wrangler for 10,000, all lifted up, 140,000 miles. KC lights, solid off-road. And the MG. Another one I will offer free shipping if you quote me on it. This one is 7,500. Trying to move product just in time for spring, guys. I got a bunch of cars coming in next week. I got over 10 on their way from Alabama. I'm going to show you some projects over here at the project lot. 67 Mustang. This is a Jayco 302. Does not run, but the engine does turn over. 30,000 on this. Needs a little TLC to get it running, driving. It's iconic 4-speed. Then we got this 67, no drivetrain in it, but it's clean. There's no rod on it. Needs a little bit of body work to finish it and paint. $5 grand buys this. Then we got this Lincoln Continental over here. This has been sitting in the garage for 30 years. Full drivetrain, no rot, no rust. I need $8,500 on this. Got this Porsche, it's got a long start, 8K on that. And then finally we got this Jeep over here, Chris is about to start up. Jeep Wrangler, need $4,500 for that. But yeah guys, that's what we got going on right now. If you see anything you like, please give me a call, 215-801-9493. Appreciate you checking out our page. Subscribe if you want to see all of our classic cars. Please subscribe. And if you made it to the end of the video, tell me what was your favorite car out of all the cars we had. If you're a true fan, that means you made it all the way and you're helping support my page. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you later.